In our Makey Makey 101 workshop, we've been talking a lot about the bridge concept. And the bridge concept is just something to help visual learners understand that there has to be two conductive touch points, and there will be a gap. And you have to find a way to close the gap. So let's look a little further at that explanation.
So you have a space you want to make and an earth you want to make. And what this first image does is there's two bananas, but unless they're touching or something is touching them, it's not going to complete a circuit. So I can complete the circuit by touching with both hands, because then I make an electrical loop from me down, from earth to me to space. So similar to that drawing of the LED light, just like the battery has a negative and a positive, that's the other way to think about this. Earth is really the negative, and all the key inputs are a positive. You always have to have a negative with your positive for your light bulb to come on. Otherwise, it's not going to come on. And I think in our capacitive world, that's confusing because we're so used to turning things on with just our hand now, right? So I can have both hands. I could have one hand that bridges across, like Derek said. I can also, I should almost just make these into a slide. I can have the bananas kiss. Sorry, I had to be funny like that. I could get rid of bananas completely and have some change. And if my change was all touching each other, it was all connected, and it could bridge across those two things. And I could also add more inputs and move my change. And now my banana can bridge from space. My banana can bridge to the down arrow, it can bridge to the up arrow, or my hands could do it again. And so this is just, we're really slowing this down because we want to make sure you really get it. If you join our Makey Makey certification course this Friday or in the future course, we get really complicated really fast. So we want to make sure everybody really gets this concept of circuits and how you have to always have an earth. You can actually pencil lead as conductive. So you can use a pencil drawing and use it to bridge from up to earth. Or you could cut it in half and it could, each one, earth to down, each drawing could connect. You'll need to get your alligator clips out so you can connect them to your Makey Makey. We'll also talk about the white jumper wires, and we will test some stuff with your piano and see if it works. But I also made this video again with alligator clips. So just to show you, I'm going to connect those bananas or the change to the alligator clips. And that's how I connect that drawing idea with alligator clips to the Makey Makey. Does this make sense to everybody? Does anyone want to ask me why I need earth? That's what I feel like everyone always asks. This is my favorite, by the way, in the end here. It went really fast. Let me slow it down. Since drawings are conductive, it's one of my other favorite ways to teach a student because you can erase the circuit. So right now you can see the loop. This is the other thing I like about it, is I can see the loop with the alligator clips and how I'm completing the circuit. But when I use the eraser, I actually erase the circuit and they're no longer connected. So it's kind of fun.
Register to attend one of our workshops to learn more at makeymakey.com/workshops.